Are you still with us, guys? Let me know. Yo, what's up? By the way, it's been a very long while since we left Bali, me and Winnie, obviously. Over 1.5 years, actually. 1.5 years about for me. I left in December and Winnie in March last year. So been a while, and I built this YouTube channel based on Bali, basically. As maybe you don't know, if somebody is new on this channel, obviously I got some new subscribers. I used to live 10 years in Asia, in Bali, obviously. So that's where I used to build this YouTube channel, actually, starting 5 years ago. 5 years ago, in February 2020, 2 months before pandemic, I started YouTube channel. And then in 7th of June 2020, I started making daily videos. And used to do the daily videos actually until the day I left Bali, so last year. So over 1,000 days, technically 1,100 days, the video was every single day. And now I don't making videos every day. That's why I'm asking, are you guys still with us? And yeah, obviously, I totally understand, as many of you guys unsubscribe my YouTube channel, actually. It's a little bit sad, but it's totally understandable. And I also totally understand, as you are guys not too much interested about the videos based in Poland, especially kind of informative videos about the Poland, because you just guys simply don't give a damn. Yeah, maybe YouTube not gonna censor me for that word. Either way, yeah, how you doing, guys? By the way, how you doing? Who is with me? That's actually the most important question of this video. That's why I appreciate if you can drop the comment, whatever it is, even if you don't have a time or you don't have a willingness to write something long or something, whatever, you just can say, yo, what's up, yo, yes, me, or whatever, or even just whatever, thumb up. I do really appreciate that. And yeah, and probably some of you guys asking, made us actually what our future plans regarding our life and also regarding the YouTube channel, especially probably our life, because my YouTube was considering as okay, I was showing you everything, how's the life going across Bali, and later also in Southeast Asia. I used to travel a little bit, quite many times actually, to Singapore and also Malaysia and Thailand. We even used to live in Thailand for a few months, in Bangkok with Winnie, and a few times in Vietnam, and then in Australia, and even in Canada later on, and obviously right now in Poland. So you might ask how we are doing, and probably the most frequent asking question will be when you coming back to Bali. But about when you come back to Bali, when we gonna come back to Bali, or anything like this, I will make it separate video for that, because that's probably the content for very long video I could make it. But for now, just let me know what would you like to ask for us, so I can make it easily. I'm currently working quite a lot, so that's why I have a little bit less time of vlogging. Anyways, if I go, let's say, and film something in Poznan, in the city where we live, most likely you won't be interested. So as I make a few videos actually about this one, and the videos get like several hundred views, and that's it, and even no comments sometimes. So that's a little bit sad and doesn't really make sense. It's like demotivating to making those kind of videos. But if we're making once in a while, actually we get some decent views, actually, to be honest. That's actually good. That's what I appreciate. Anyways, I do really appreciate if you guys still with us. Anyways, who you guys are with us still, that's really cool. We got few hundred subscribers only unsubscribe us, which is actually not that bad. And yeah, actually just wanted to make this short video to ask you how you guys doing and who are with me. Also, recently I was checking which videos generated the most videos on my YouTube channel, and they are obviously video from Bali. And I remember this is the video actually, I filmed this during the pandemic. It was in the crisis of the pandemic, like the most peak time when everything was so sad, so depressing. That was actually the best time for my YouTube channel, actually, to be honest. At the time when the Bali was closed and already world was closed for a very long time, Many of you guys were still not able to travel anyways, anywhere, and anyways. So that's those videos perform the best, because obviously you guys had the most time to watch it. And also yeah, I was one of the few people actually who left in Bali, except locals, and I used to do the videos. That was the time actually when really not too many people used to make videos in Bali. And also those funny situation at the intro. This video actually reached 652,000 views. That's quite a lot. I modified the title a little bit right now to make it like maybe one day can hit 1 million views. That will be actually really nice achievement on my YouTube channel. I have two achievements, actually two goals to reach on my YouTube channel. One is to get at least one video hit 1 million views, which is possible, and also 100,000 subscribers, so I can get like a special silver how to say, it's like a special not statue, but it's like a framed sign of the YouTube with my name and congratulations for each 100,000 subscribers, what I can use it, what I can put it as my memory. That's actually cool. One day, a year or later, we're gonna make it. As we never close the YouTube channel, we never abound this. I don't want to abound this anyways. It's just temporary. I'm focusing on something different than making just the YouTube channel. But it's so sentimental for me, because thanks to this YouTube channel, actually, we are able to survive the pandemic. Maybe some of you don't realize that, but actually, thanks to that, as you watch us, as you supporting us, many of you guys buy me a coffee or become the YouTube membership. Actually, YouTube membership was established like 1 or 2 years later when I already started doing the YouTube channel. Same with the buy me a coffee actually thingy. So thanks to that, and also as you watch it, the YouTube could generate some income. That was really helpful, and thanks to that actually we were able to survive the pandemic, which I do really appreciate, and that's for sure is part of my life obviously already. And of course 5 years, it's quite a long time already. I understand that some of you already are unfortunately not with us. That's normal due to many reasons, if you know what I mean. And I really do appreciate many of you guys who still watching today's video and still with us anyways. And welcome everybody new who since the last year, thanks to the videos made in Poland, bring some new subscribers to our TheMonkeys family. We're gonna keep the names The Monkeys. I discussed with Winnie, was thinking already to change it, but actually we like it. Winnie especially like it, and as you know, happy wife, happy life. So let's keep The Monkeys. Anyways, this is some sort of brand. Had some merch even for sale some time ago. So it's also cool. If you're interested to buy some merch, of course, you can let me know. I can print something from you, even better quality in Poland than in Asia, and I can ship it to you worldwide. By the way, if you're interested, that's usually the t-shirts with the monkey logo and stuff. So yeah, let me know. Like I said, I don't really want to making the videos regarding the informative videos about the Poznań and Poland, because that's not really probably way. The good thing is, as the next 2 weeks at the beginning of June, me and Winnie travel somewhere in Europe, which is cool. Gonna be some few nice travel videos like we used to do in Asia, especially when we used to travel together in Thailand or Singapore, Malaysia, or even Vietnam. Some similar style. We did once video like this going to Budapest, but I don't know why not too many people watch it. Maybe because the title was not good or thumbnail or something. However, we made it. But yeah, that's gonna be cool. And yeah, just in case if you're interested, we are still together. We are already over 10 years together actually with Winnie, doing very well together, so nothing to worry about that. Actually, many of our friends already get twice divorced and twice married with 2 different partners, but we are still together, and we are actually together since young age, which is rare, especially in the couples like you know, Asian and European or something like that, or white and Asian, if you know what I mean. Usually it's the age difference is pretty high, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 sometimes years, but for us it's only 2 years difference, which is very natural and very normal and very rare at the same time. So yeah, sorry guys, I'm making this video in the car. It's windy and I just got a few minutes to make a video after washing the car actually. And yeah, I hope so some of you still watching me till this moment actually, because I'm talking, maybe it's boring for some of you, but that's it. Then I used to talk in Bali actually. Many of you are interested and listen till the end. At least nobody laugh at my English right now. However, after I said that, maybe somebody will laugh. Anyways, thanks for being with me, guys. I really appreciate. Let me know what would you like to know. I will make it on next video. I will try to make more videos like this one. I also ordered some cool car holder, phone holder for the car. What I will maybe attach, and I will make some driving videos, because actually when I make a driving videos last year, I got some views from that, because that's also interesting, and we are driving on different side of the road and we have a roundabouts here and everything. And I used to do actually driving videos quite a lot as well, mostly on bike. I could buy the bike here. We have a Honda PCX, what I used to drive, or even a Yamaha NMAX, exactly the same what I used to drive in Bali many times, just the engine is a little bit smaller because it's 125cc instead of 155 116 and PCX in Honda. That's due to the regulations, because in Poland you can drive the smaller scooter, like up to 125cc, only the motorbike, but as long as it's up to 125cc, driving just using the car driving license just for the cars. So you just insure it and use your license for the car and you just drive. So it's actually pretty cool. You don't need to have a license for the bigger bike, but if you want to have a more than 125, you need to have a license for the motorbikes. So maybe one day I will get it actually. We still don't want to drive a bike here, but she already asked me once, so maybe on next year, next summer, I would like to buy Vespa if I drive in Poland actually. You know, if I'm living in Europe, why not have a Vespa? That's maybe for different next year. Anyways, all right, I'm gonna back to do working. I'm still currently driving Uber, pretty enjoy it, and working on different projects. But yeah. All right, guys, let me know who are you, who is with me still. And I hope so you are doing well. Thanks for attention. And if you are from Poland actually, and you are thinking how to move to Poland, to Bali and live there, like I used to do in a very young age, and not just being a digital nomad and everything, you can let me know. We can make some consultations, of course paid consultations, because my knowledge and my experience is worth something. Anything else is free on YouTube anyways. You can watch it. 1.2 thousand videos on Bali only. It's quite a lot. Imagine how many hours I spend on editing these videos and filming them and uploading. Anyways, already talking too much. Thank you so much and see you on next one. I used to say see you tomorrow, but I'm gonna say see you on next one. See ya. Take care.